Right now in Orlando it's 87 and mostly sunny.
Hey guys, it's April 7th, and if you saw my last video, you probably heard me talk about the My Lawn app from Scott's. So again, April 7th, I'm gonna go ahead and launch it, and it's telling me that on April 12th, between April 12th and June 7th, to treat my lawn with GrubEx. And there's a good video from Allyn Hane. I'm going to put the link on this video somewhere. So I know that the app is recommending to add it, applying it between April 12th and June 7th. But I figure adding it, I figure that it won't hurt if you add it a few days early. So this is the GrubEx product here. You can purchase this at Lowe's. I believe I paid about $22 or $24 a bag, and it covers 5,000 square feet. I have about 8,500 square feet in my property, so I'm going to be using about a bag and 3/4. So it's telling me here, if I have a Scott spreader, which I do, is to set it to 3.5, and then to activate it you have to water it thoroughly, about 1 inch, to activate the product, and then just basic cleanup. So why do you want to use this product? If you have grub worms, they might be the root cause for all the brown spots on your lawn. So it won't matter how much you fertilize, how much any other product you put on your lawn. Whenever you see that there's brown spots that do not change no matter what, grub worms might be the root cause, since they actually start feeding on the root system of your lawn here, which means that if the root system is dead, your lawn is going to die. So I do not know if I have grub worms on my lawn, but because I'm a newbie at this, I'm gonna go ahead and apply it just to be on the safe side, and because I want to make sure that my lawn is healthy. So this is just a preventive measure. So as I said before, I'm going to put a link below for Allyn Hane's, the lawn care nut. He has a video for grub worms, and he actually does a very good explanation on how grub worms affect your lawn. He actually has an example on his video as well. So I feel like the Scott's products are more safe for anyone who's not familiar on how to treat their lawn. That's my reasoning behind using the Scott's regimen, at least initially for the first year. So I'm going to go ahead and set the spreader to 3.5 as requested by the instructions. I already cut my lawn today, so everything is ready to go. So I just finished applying the GrubEx, and now I'm just activating it by putting some water on it.